Hello. Last video from this place. I'm moving. Heading to a new space. Don't know where. Don't know really when. Probably going to be settled in months and months from now, but we're going to be hopefully filming videos on the road, cooking whenever I can, making little travel videos, travel cook shows. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Gonna set up an Instagram account. Hopefully I can put it somewhere on the screen, wherever the name is. It's going to probably be in the description. Follow us there. Traveling around. It's going to be exciting. Really looking forward to all that. But I'm sad to have to say goodbye to this place because look at this nice little simple setup I have here. Easy stovetop, all in one unit. I'm sure I could get something better, but happy to have what I had while I was here and used it as best I could, I think. So, just wanted to let you guys know, heading out there, gonna be traveling all over the place, all over the world really, and if you want to come along, here's the way to follow us again, and hope you enjoy the whole party, you know?